This is a short video explaining the task that I built that reinforces variability using Levenshtein's distance. Levenshtein's distance is a computer algorithm that determines relative distance between string or categorical data. As you can see on the screen, this is a simple web app just to kind of give you an overview of Levenshtein's distance. Levenshtein's distance takes two pieces of information. One is basically a source string. In this case, I'm highlighting book here, and it takes another string called a target string, and that word is byte. And you can, if you hit calculate, it can calculate basically the difference between these two words. That difference is the number of substitutions, additions, and deletions that will turn book into the word byte. Now, this isn't just limited to text. You can put numbers in, but these numbers are treated not as numerical data, but as like the words before. Each number doesn't really have it's not on any scale, but each number just represents a keystroke that's different than a previous one. So these two 6-digit numbers have a difference of 6 on them. So that is just kind of an overview of the Levenshtein's distance. So this is, like I said, a computer algorithm that I've programmed. Now, in the task, that algorithm is programmed in what's called the Unreal Engine. The Unreal Engine is a computer programming environment that a lot of game developers use. One of the nice things about this computer programming environment is that you can code everything visually. This is just basically showing some code for the specific task, but it allows you to move around and kind of see the logic flow that goes on in the game visually rather than just in hard code. And this makes it much simpler to debug, much simpler to scale up kind of task and build tasks quickly. The only downside is it does take a little bit of learning to learn just how to build code in this fashion if you're used to writing in code. But once you do, it's quite a bit nicer, I think, at least. So the task itself, if we hit play here, we should be able to see it. Basically, is a blank screen. There's no instructions because it's pretty basic right now, but basically there's information on the screen in the upper left-hand corner that says the points earned. And the job of the participant is to enter numbers, a 6-digit number. After that 6-digit number is in, the subject's required to hit enter, and nothing happens on the first time, but then each subsequent time they're entering 6-digit numbers, and the goal is to try to find some combination that is maximally different or has a Levenshtein's distance of at least 6 of that sequence and the previous two sequences. And you can see and hear the sound when you get that. You get 10 points, and there's a little sound that comes with it. It's actually pretty hard to do. There, I got it. But once you get the hang of it, it gets a little bit easier. That's basically the task itself. Now, this is just a template task. I was going to hopefully build several kind of tasks that pertain to specific experiments, but I haven't had a chance to do that. But this video is just to give you an overview of the task that I've built, how it's built, what edit distance is. So